Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I think I'm going to start some sort of series on my channel for this. I feel like I don't really have like a niche, and I feel like I need to find that, and so I really want to start focusing on doing like Poshmark videos. And I know there's a lot of people out there, and I've been comparing myself a lot recently to a lot of different sellers, and a lot of the sellers that I watch have been doing it for a long time. I've been doing it since 2017, but I haven't really picked up on it until around this time this year in quarantine, around like March. I've made quite a bit of money, and I want to share with you guys some of the things that I've been doing differently that have been getting me a few more sales. So I'm gonna just share those things with you guys, and I hope that this helps you guys make these awesome sales. So let's just get right into this video. So when I first started, my lighting was absolutely terrible. I was not even using the flash on my phone. My things were just being taken pictures on the floor. I'm going to show you guys a few of the things that I still have in my closet that are currently just like laying on my rug. And when you go onto someone's closet, I think you want to be looking for stuff that you really want to be buying. And if you see something that's kind of on the rug, the lighting is awful, you can't tell if there's stains or not, like I really think that when you're posting pictures, it's the most important thing that you can do. So as you can see, this dress right here, I have it listed on my Poshmark. But as I click on this dress, you can see that it's kind of hanging on my closet. It looks pretty wrinkly. The lighting's not that good. So this is one of the items that I'm going to relist. The reason for that is because it's been in my closet for over a year and a half now, and it hasn't sold. So that just kind of tells you that obviously there's something wrong. So it's probably the picture, maybe even the keywords. So I'm going to show you guys how to like revamp this picture, and I really think that I can use some work on it. We are going to try and focus on this dress today. I do have another item, but I just bought Handy Dandy Steamer. And this thing is going to make your pictures for your sales so much better. It also picks up a lot of the lint on a shirt that I was kind of testing out, and I couldn't believe how much this thing really worked, and it worked really well. I bought it for $24 on Amazon. It was a great purchase. You can use it literally for anything. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to steam this dress here, I'm going to repost the pictures, and I'm going to show you guys kind of how to get those sales. I am pretty active on the app, meaning that I share my items probably around 10 to 15 times a day, which obviously right now I'm not currently working, so I can do. And I don't have that many items in my closet. Some people have up to 1,000. I only have almost 200. I only have around 90 active listings. The reason why people can't share as often as I do, but I don't have as many items in my closet, so I am able to share more and more throughout the day. And the more you share, the more sales you're gonna get, the more chance that you have of people seeing your items and actually purchasing from your closet. So I'm gonna turn this bad boy on, and we're gonna get started steaming, and then once we're done steaming, we're gonna start taking some new pictures. This thing is quick, y'all. Show you guys how this works. I'm really excited. All right guys, let's get steaming. You can see this thing is ready to do its job. So here's the before. You can see that it's pretty wrinkly, and it needs a good steam. So we're just gonna get really close to the dress and just steam it out really well. So I just finished steaming it. It doesn't, like, it looks better in person, but that's always the hard thing. So you want to make sure that it looks as good as it does in the picture when you're shipping it out. Now this is going to be really hard, and I think this is the reason why the pictures aren't as good, because the dress is longer, so it's really hard to get those good pictures. My baseboard of my carpet is just going to have to show. There's nothing I can really do about it. I could raise the pin, but it's just going to put holes in my walls. So I'm going to photograph it, see if I can get some good pictures. I have another top that I want to redo too, so I'm going to get some good pictures, repost them, and show you guys. And I really hope that this dress sells within the next week or two, since I am taking the time to photograph and put in some new keywords for this dress. Like I said, I've had it for a while, so I'm like really trying to get it out of my closet. So I'm gonna take those pictures now and show you guys how it turns out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get behind my camera, and I'm going to start here by taking the edit button. I'm not going to delete this thing, I'm just going to be adding new pictures. So I'm just going to press the button where it says add photo, and I'm going to click on the flash, and I'm going to try and get some really good photos here. So I'm just going to snap one from this angle and see how it turns out. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. So it definitely does look a lot better. You can't tell really that it's a high-low dress, so I'm going to keep some of those other photos in there. But now I'm going to do it from like an angle like here, but I really hope that this can help some people to look at the angles better. I have another item that I want to steam and show you guys here. It's actually a shirt that I make, so I make like handmade pockets t-shirts, and so this is one of them. It's got pretty wrinkly. But I also realized here, as you guys can see, is that it's also another picture that's on the floor. Like, you know, you see, and then the shirt, like it could just be so much better pictures. The last one's pretty cool and the first one's not bad, but I definitely want to make sure that these two middle pictures are good. So I'm just going to steam this shirt, and then I'm going to then show you guys how I can retake the pictures and make the item look better than what it is now, because when you see wrinkles and things like that, it just makes you know, okay, that shirt wrinkles really easily, and that also causes people to not buy things. Going to photograph the shirt and get rid of these images because they are, you know, they're just not that good. So we're gonna go ahead and just delete these two photos here, and I believe I'm gonna delete this one too, just because it's not the best quality. So we're gonna add a photo here, and just like so, we're going to just take a new picture. Actually, I'm gonna raise the brightness up here real quick and take that again. And just like that, we are going to snap a new photo. And then I'm going to get a few ones that are up close here. So of the pocket. And then I'm going to step back and try to get one more of like the side here, like this. I'm telling you guys, the more angles you can get, the better. So now you can take a look and see that these are such better quality photos. So I'm going to put these two at the end here like that. So yeah, I definitely think that the quality of these photos are a lot better. And so then I'm going to press next, and I'm going to press list, and then we'll see that they have updated. Now you can see that this shirt looks nice and steamed. It looks like it's in really good condition. And now somebody is going to be like, wow, I want to go and buy this because it looks like it's brand new. So now that I've showed you guys pretty much how to do that, I think that you guys now have a pretty good idea of how to make your pictures look a lot better. Using keywords, like I said, is also really helpful, and just being super active on the app. I find that that is actually really helpful for me, and to send offers to likers. So if you guys like this video and thought it was helpful in any way, or if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you guys have any questions that you guys want to ask, just let me know. If you guys like more of these informational videos on Poshmark, also let me know, just because I need to figure out my niche for my channel so I can, you know, start making my channel a little bit more of repetitive videos, meaning that I'm giving you guys some of the same content. So I really like watching videos like this, so I hope you guys liked watching this one. So if you guys found this helpful, again, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!